Ever wondered if you could turn just $100 into $10,000? It might sound impossible, but with the right strategies, it's achievable. In this video, we'll show you how to multiply your money with actionable tips and proven investment methods. Stick around to the end for a secret strategy that could change your financial future. Many people think you need thousands to start investing, but the truth is, small amounts can grow into big returns over time. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a new car, or financial independence, this guide is your blueprint to success. The first step is identifying investments with high growth potential. In 2025, here's where your $100 could go. Stocks under $50. Look for small cap companies with room to grow. Cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, or emerging altcoins could deliver exponential returns. Peer-to-peer lending. Earn interest by lending to verified borrowers. Invest small, but focus on growth markets. Compounding is your best friend. Reinvesting your earnings means your returns earn returns. For example, if you invest $100 with a 10% annual return, it can grow to $10,000 in just a few years with consistent reinvestments. The earlier you start, the faster your money works for you. Investing isn't just about what you save, it's about what you earn. Use a side hustle like freelancing, selling online, or starting a blog to generate extra cash. Channel those earnings into your investment portfolio for accelerated growth. Every dollar counts. Small daily habits can save you thousands over time. Skip unnecessary expenses and automate your savings into an investment account. Apps like Acorns and Robinhood make it easy to invest your spare change, turning pennies into profits. Here's the secret strategy. Look for emerging markets and niche ETFs that capitalize on upcoming trends like AI, green energy, and Web3. These industries are set to boom in 2025, and getting in early can make all the difference. So, are you ready to turn $100 into $10,000? Start today and watch your small steps lead to big changes. If you loved this video, hit the like button, subscribe to WealthSphere, and ring the bell icon for more tips on building your financial future. Thank you for watching WealthSphere, your ultimate guide to financial success. See you in the next video.